Hi guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to add multiple textures to your images in very simple and easy ways. So let's begin. So I'll open up the folder where I have all of my textures saved. I'll click on place and that will open up the folder. Now I've created all these new textures, fine art textures. It's a collection that I'm selling on my Etsy store, which I've added in the description section below. So if you're interested in having a look at the products that I've got on my Etsy store, or you're interested in buying anything, then definitely go check it out. Okay, so I've created a layer mask and this is where I am removing all of the texture of her skin using a black brush on 100% opacity, as you want to make sure that you want to remove all the texture of the skin. Now I'm reducing the opacity of the texture and let's see before and after, and it's already looking great. And I'm going to add another texture. Again, open up the folder and select a different texture style, resize it to fit the canvas and hit OK. And since we already have a layer mask created, what we can do, we can just duplicate it by clicking inside it and clicking on Alt, moving it up onto the next texture. Now changing the blending mode and lowering the opacity so that the effect won't be as strong. I'm now going to add another texture style. I always like adding at least 3 of them to create that nice effect and give it that painterly look. So the more you add, the more depth and dimension the image will have. Now resizing it and hitting OK. Now changing the blending mode. I think that's a bit too strong. I'll change that to soft light and reduce the opacity. Now again, click and drag onto the layer mask so that I don't have to create it again. Now select all 3 layers and press Ctrl G to group them. It makes it easier that way to control the opacity of those layers. You can do it that way, or you can change it separately on each layer. I'll rename the group Textures, and I will have a look at before adding all the textures and after. Adding the textures gave the image more depth and dimension, and it also created the perfect fine art look that we are trying to achieve for this particular look. I'll now create a layer mask for the group and I will remove any excess texture that's on the skin. Anything that's unwanted, I can do that for all 3 layers all at once because they're in the group. And just before, again, and after. And it looks great. I'm very happy with the overall finish of it. So that concludes my tutorial for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you like to see more editing videos like this, don't forget to give this video a like and let me know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you all in my next tutorial. Have a good day.